Hello, everyone. I'd like to make it known to you all that I really enjoy cards. Quite a lot, actually. One of my favorite of these cards is the Ace of Diamonds, which I'm pretty sure, well, in this deck it's got a special design. I'll find it for you right here. Now I do really wish you would stick around, though I do know that this video won't be as intoxicating as the rest of the things you'll find, but please take a break from being a dopamine junkie. I am one too, don't worry. And maybe take a look at my channel, see if you enjoy the contents of it, and I'll show you guys how to do cool tricks, like my take on the infamous Pharaoh Shuffle. The also infamous Cascade. Damn it, y'all didn't even see it. And the, well, pretty infamous Cascade, which still can't figure out a way for you guys to see it well, but I know how to do it. I'm still learning different tricks, like I'm trying to learn how to fan, but I'm learning how to shuffle, which is actually the only acceptable shuffle apparently at Magic the Gathering games. Apparently Pharaoh shuffling isn't allowed, even though it's more effective. Anyways, I really do hope you guys enjoyed. Do take a break from scrolling all day. Have fun, read, etc. But seriously, have an amazing, God bless day. Toodles.